In news across America, Aaron Hernandez is no longer a convicted killer. The charge against the late Florida Gator and New England Patriot was officially dropped today through a Massachusetts law requiring charges be dropped if a defendant is not alive to see out the appeals process. Reporter Christina Hager of our sister station in Boston has more on the ruling and reaction.
The district attorney is appealing today's decision, so it will go to the state's highest court. He's also urging state lawmakers to change the rule so others don't suffer the same heartache the victim's family felt today.
I know everyone is looking for me to be angry, but I'm not.
The mother of Odin Lloyd characteristically at peace despite the blow her family took inside the Fall River courthouse moments earlier.
The court has no choice but to abate the proceedings ab initio by vacating Hernandez's convictions.
Lloyd's girlfriend wiped her eyes. Her sister is the fiancée of the late Aaron Hernandez, now cleared in Lloyd's murder.
He's guilty, and he's going to always be guilty. I know one day I'm going to see my son, and that's the victory that I have.
District Attorney Thomas Quinn called on state lawmakers and state Supreme Court justices to change the law that allows convictions to be dismissed when defendants die before the appeals process is finished.
To allow an archaic rule to erase the jury's verdict flies in the face of common sense and basic fairness.
Prosecutors had argued the former Patriot star took his own life because he knew it would lead to this. Appellate attorneys called that hearsay and question if Hernandez even died by suicide.
We don't know what the circumstances were.
None of that weighed into Judge Susan Garsh's decision, she said, 2 years after she oversaw his 2-month-long trial.
Guilty of murder in the first degree.
She says she's bound by a higher law to let it go. So now the question, how does this affect the civil cases? Well, Ursula Ward's wrongful death attorney says it will not affect her case. But depending on the wording of Hernandez's deal with the Patriots, it could unlock some money his estate never got. That is a big unknown at this point. In Fall River, Massachusetts, Christina Hager for CBS 4 News.